Okay, open operation Hurricane Alpha Airplane Japan turn 17. Housekeeping, yep. When we bomb this port, we got to kick out 3 ships. We'll kick out our light carrier out, destroyer, heavy cruiser. That's it. All right, purchases. We'll spend 11, 2 infantry, and to fix our port, our shipyard here for 5, so that'd be 11. All right. One combat move. We're going to send all 3 of these ships. Suicide run 1, 2, 3, 4. Attack that fleet, and we'll just drop 1 fighter down there too. So that's it. All right, let's get this on the board here. Battleship, heavy cruiser, destroyer, heavy cruiser for 6, destroyer for 4, fighter for 6. Light cruiser's nothing. So a 4, 2 6s versus a 4, 6. These go over here, and 8. Pretty straight up fight here. The best fleet win. Okay, I see a 9, that's a miss. A 5 is a hit. 2 hits and 2 hits. So 2 for 2. So 1, 2. And we'll go 1, 2. Alright, so I'm back to this. 11-7, 11-9. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, again. 12-5, 4-6. There we go. Alright, so he gets 1 hit. 12-5 is 1 hit. I'll lose the fighters, and I get 2 hits. So we survive with the cruiser. That's it. That was pretty much a extra hit. Saved me there. So we don't take that back, but at least we got a ship up there now. Probably sunk anyway. So kills off 2 extra transports. That's good. All right. Non-coms, we'll move this submarine out to here. These will go out to here. Along with these. Why is everything locked down here? What's going on? There, the fort gets fixed this at the end of the turn here. I'm going to put some other units around here. What do we got? All this stuff can attack me. Got 4 guys, no Marines though. That's good. Nothing there. America's got a bunch of stuff. He's going to move 2, 1, 2. Those are not in range of anything. I don't think they have amphibious doctrine either, so. No, he's way behind on that. So double casualties for all of everybody. We'll leave him here. He'll walk across to here. This militia in the 41st will walk over to here. Put him in the 41st. Attack bomber there. Got a medium bomber there. I'll leave this there. What else? I think that's about it. All right, so we're still in port, but we can't. We can leave now. At the end, our next turn, we can leave. So sit there. Place our 2 infantry, and hopefully the game ends. That's all we can hope for at this point. Actually, we got 4 guys there. I'm gonna move a few here. I'm gonna put these 2 here. 2, 4, 6, 7. There's no transports here. These are sunk. This can't do anything. This fleet here, no transports here, no transports there. Britain's got their 4 transports here, but only 4 guys, looks like. Um, 28th is over here, so 2 guys there, 1, 2, 3 can hit Honshu. Okay, I think that's it. How much little money we're going to collect this turn, I have no idea. So that should be cleared up 0. Oh, it's going to get ugly. 8, 10. Wow. That might all go away next turn. It's fun while it lasted, guys. So, all right. Pass it off to Britain. Thanks for watching. Bye.